Hello there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a quick unboxing and review of an iPhone 13 Pro case I purchased on AliExpress. So I'm just unpackaging the case. It has a bit of styrofoam on the inside to keep the shape of the case, and this is a two-tones bumper with black buttons, inserts and camera module protection, as well as a frosted or semi-transparent back. So I'm going to slip my iPhone 13 Pro into the case. Just let it clip. There we go. And that's it, in place. So first impressions, it fits snugly. That's a good thing. And there seems to be quite a decent bit of camera protection here through that camera bumper that's around it. That does give it a little bit of lift from a surface if you were to put your iPhone back down. Now, that's great. Let's have a look at how the buttons work. Just need to finish there. So if you press that on-off button, it works great. There's no stickiness. It works as expected. Let's see how it performs with the volume buttons. And they seem to be working too, no issues there. At the top, there's no cutouts whatsoever. At the bottom, you get the asymmetric cutouts for in this case, your lightning port for charging and speakers and microphone. On the left-hand side, as well as the volume buttons that we saw were not sticky and worked well, there's a little slider cutout for the switch for your silent mode. And on the left hand side, as well as the power button insert, there's a little cutout for a lanyard. So if you want to wear your iPhone 13 Pro on a lanyard, that is an option with this case. So overall, I think this is a good case. It looks pretty decent. It lets through a little bit of that blue or Sierra blue that this smartphone is showing off, but it's not too much, so it's not completely transparent, and it's not a fingerprint magnet, which is good to see. So overall, I think this is a decent case for the price I paid for it. It was around about £2.50 on AliExpress, and if you don't mind waiting a few days for these cases to be delivered, I can definitely recommend them for the price. If you were to buy something similar on Amazon, for example, you'd be expected to pay around about £10. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can purchase this iPhone 13 Pro case on AliExpress. And wrap up this video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover not only accessories, but mobile technology, smartphones, gadgets, and anything we believe makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.